Hello YouTubers, how's it going out there in YouTube land? Hopefully you're doing pretty good. Just jump right into the video. There is my 02 Trailblazer and my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Of course today I'm working on the Trailblazer a little bit because this is mainly going to be my winter driver. I've done everything to it I possibly can. It's almost in perfect condition, but there's one thing that's been very annoying. I apologize for the wind out here. It's a little windy today. This is a problem with a lot of Trailblazers. Just about every Trailblazer person I've talked to, they've had this problem when you go to start the car up. The temperature right here stays at 0 and it doesn't change. It's just completely just stuck there, and it's kind of annoying because when you're driving down the highway in the ice and snow, if it's raining, and it's kind of nice to know when the temperature gets pretty close to freezing, so you can kind of be a little extra careful for ice and snow that gets melted on the highway. So what we got to do to fix this, and I haven't seen too many forums online about this particular issue. I've seen some videos on how to install a whole mirror and everything, but I don't know why, but I figured I'd just make this video for you guys, make your life a little bit easier. So what we got to do is replace a sensor which is outside under the hood, and it should be pretty easy to do. Now I went out and I picked up another sensor here. Let me take the key out so we don't get the ding ding ding. Here's our new sensor. Picked this up for about $8. You can order these online. Oh gosh, I don't know, probably a little bit more. I think the one I saw for free shipping was about $18, but this is one time I went to my local parts store and actually got the part a little bit cheaper. So there's what we got to replace. This is called the ambient air temperature sensor, but nevertheless we're going to have to replace this in order to get this temperature sensor inside to work a little bit better. So let's go outside. Alright, so we got the hood open, and what we got to do, our sensor is actually down here. It's behind this piece of plastic. We're going to have to take this off real quick, and what you'll need to do is get you a little socket like this. This is a little tiny thing. This is a 7mm, but a 6mm will probably work. And then we'll go ahead and loosen some of these two screws up. There's one right here, and there's one right here. Get these two out, and then you have these quick release clips here. Now don't make this mistake where somebody has already broken this. You actually got to get in here with a pair of snip nose, needle nose, or something like this, and pull up on these right here, because if you don't, what's going to happen is, and I'll show you real quick, somebody just has already pulled up on this and broken this, and these little guys here you got to kind of pull off, pull up and out. Someone's already broken this, because what happens is, if I turn this over, you can see on the back they pulled up on this and they broke this here off of the front part of the clip here. So make sure you get all these out, because this actually holds and anchors this on to part of the vehicle. And they did the same thing on this side. Someone just went yanking and broke it. So if I ever get to the junkyard, I'll find me another one, hopefully. Or actually, if you look closely enough, it's actually part of this piece that sits behind the grill. So try not to break that. All right, now for the sensor, it's actually right here. Now if you get your pair of needle nose, something like this, you can probably go down here like this and grab it and pull it free from the little bracket. Actually, I think it's already loose. Yeah, someone's already had it out, it looks like. All right, now we got to fish it out. And this is our sensor. Now, when you go to the parts store, just tell them what you need. A lot of times, you know, the factory will have one color, but if you order another one, it'll be a different color. And if I zoom in here, you might be able to see the part number right there. So I've already ordered one. So let me go ahead and take this one off and go inside and get the other one. I'm going to do this by magic. I'm going to try to do this with one hand and camera with in the other. See, I'm not going to be able to, it looks like. So let me set the camera down. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's the old one. Now here's the new one. It looks a little different, so but they say it's the same part number and all that, so we'll see. Go ahead and hook this up like this, snap it together, and for now I'm just going to kind of leave it hang here, because we're going to go inside and start the vehicle up and see if it actually works. So let's check this out real quick. This will be nice because I've been driving this thing for 4 or 5 months and I have no idea what the temperature is, because I'm always, you know, curious George, if if you're like me. All right, see what we got. Hey, how about that? Yay, we fixed it. It says 92 degrees. Of course, it's not 92. It's been sitting out here for a little while. That's great. So that's all you got to do to fix that. And this part, I believe, like I said, at the local parts store was only $8.79. So that's wonderful. We took care of that. Just go out here and kind of close everything up, put everything back together, and we're done. All right, so we got that pretty tight. Pointless to do that because it's broke. And we'll tighten this up here. Boy, so the sensor is back in, and it actually goes right, if you can kind of see it down there, there's a little hole that it clips in, pretty easy to get back in. It's actually right there. I don't think you're going to be able to see it. That's all you got to do, and that will take care of your ambient air temperature sensor, and you'll have a reading on the inside where you can actually check the outside temperature. All right, guys, so before I end the video here, let's go in here and start this up one more time. See what we got. There we go, 86 degrees, so it's working just like it should. So hopefully this will help you out and everything, and thanks for watching and all that good stuff. If you like any of my videos, say hi and subscribe and all that. And until my next video, I hope this helped you out on your Trailblazer, and until then, I will see you guys later.